Cross-stitch design on jeans using water-soluble canvas. Supplies: tapestry needle size 26, brown and pink variegated thread. Scissors. Water-soluble canvas by DMC. It's made for the cross-stitch and looks like Aida fabric. And the jeans, I already embroidered a few designs on them. Join my course on Domestika to embroider them too. Link in description. Attach the canvas to the jeans with running stitch. Let's move a little back and talk about fabric. Pattern on the right, Aida on the left. Aida is perfect for the cross stitch. You can be sure that the axes will have the same size. Choose the square and make diagonal stitch, and the second diagonal stitch forming the X. Keep the same direction of stitches for the whole project. If you made second stitch from left to right, then all second stitches should be from left to right. You can make a column of diagonal stitches, then a column finishing the axis. I drew a little tree and let's go back to the jeans. Counting where I need to start and making stitches according to my pattern. I learned how to cross stitch when I was 6. I just loved making small cute designs. I especially loved making pine trees. I'm securing the thread, passing needle under the stitches. Change of color and more cross stitches. This canvas needs a lot of water to dissolve. The package says to place it in a bowl with soapy water 40–50 degrees Celsius. Let it soak and stir from time to time. Rinse with lots of hot water and let it dry. That's how it looks when it dried. Variegated threads made interesting colors. And let's do something fun. If this video will receive 100 likes, I will create 3 patterns with different trees to cover the whole pant leg. Of course, you'll be able to embroider this pattern on any garment. And it's not hard to embroider even without canvas. You'll need to draw the grid with dots yourself to help make even X's. I used 3 strands of pink and brown variegated moulinet threads, water-soluble canvas by DMC. Don't forget to hit like if you want me to embroider the whole pant leg with different trees and make free pattern for you. Join my Patreon page to be the first one to see my new videos. Thank you for watching and see you!